Okay, this is a demonstration of my Megablast Air Horn kit, and this is my old horn. Pretty much just puts people to sleep. And I installed this horn the other day, and I checked how much current it actually pulls with this little device that'll measure high current DC, and it uses twin compressors, and each one of them pulls 22 amps. And so I've got 12 gauge THHN wire with 30 amp fuses, and they feed into the dual relays right here, and they turn on these twin compressors right here, which puts air through the hoses down to these two horns. So now we're going to listen to the horns, see what they sound like, followed by the effect that it usually has on people. So I'm just going to reach right in here and